In front of me is nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Tap on all of your photos you wish to add. And as you can see, after that, all of mine were successfully attached. If you can't find them here, you can always select photos, tap on a photo you wish to add over here, and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!